Two different examples of isolating the variable. And we've done this differently than the previous two examples because we used to have like 4b minus 12, for example. It was the variable followed by the integer. This time the integer is first. And we've got a couple things going on, but we'll do this one at a time, okay? First of all, this is 12 minus 4b. The opposite function would be to subtract 12 because this is a positive 12. So we will subtract 12 on this side as well. That leaves us with negative 4b equals, and 4 minus 12 is negative 8. Okay? We need to divide by negative 4 on both sides because right now this is b times negative 4. So the opposite function would be to divide by negative 4. We'll divide by negative 4 on both sides. This cancels out and leaves us with b. Negative 8 divided by negative 4, and negative divided by a negative is a positive, which we learned the previous chapter, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now we know that b equals 2. Over here we've got something else going on. We have a few integers in here. When you have two of the same thing, for example, if we had a plus 3c plus 2c and they both ended with c, or in this case we have an integer and we have another integer, we can do something called collecting like terms. Because these are both integers and they do not have a letter attached to them, we should probably combine them first. So 3 minus 6 is negative 3. The rest gets copied down, plus 2c equals 1. We can now add 3 on both sides to start to isolate our variable. Because the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So we do that to both sides. This gets canceled out. Negative 3 plus 3, it's gone. Plus 2c gets carried down. The equal sign gets carried down, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Now we need 2 times the number is 4. If you didn't know, you would just recognize that this is 2 times c. So the opposite of multiplying by 2 is divide by 2. Cancels that out and leaves us with c. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. A couple different examples of isolating the variable.